Most people think $10,000 isn't enough to change your life. But what if I told you that with the right high-growth ETF, $10,000 could become $1 million or even $5 million? Sounds impossible? It's not. Welcome to your ultimate investing, the three pockets, where we break down the best ETFs that have the power to multiply your money like never before. In this video, I'm going to show you and Greg 5 powerful high-growth ETFs that you can buy and hold long-term. Each one has the potential to turn a one-time $10,000 investment into a $1 million portfolio. And at the end, I'll show you my personal favorite, an ETF that can turn $10,000 into over $5 million. Finding the best ETFs comes down to performance over time. Look at the past 10-year returns to see how they weathered market conditions. This helps you avoid jumping on short-term fads that fizzle out fast. But short-term returns matter too. They show current trends. If a fund is down, it might bounce back. If it's up, it might cool off. That's where smart timing and dollar-cost averaging come in. So now let's get into it. The top 5 high-growth ETFs to hold for the long run. 5 ProShares Ultra Dow 30 DDM. 1 annual return, 14.71%. 2 dividend yield, 1.04%. 3 dividend growth, 18.46% performance projection. 1 10 years, 43,931. 2 20 years, $227,070. 3 30 years, 995,491. Strong capital appreciation plus fast-growing dividends make this ETF a solid high-risk, high-reward bet. 4 Technology Select Sector SPDR Fund, XLK. 1 annual return, 17.53%. 2 dividend yield, 0.71%. 3 dividend growth, 7.73% performance projection. 1 10 years, 52,121. 2 20 years, 266,871. 3 30 years, 1,048,940 for an XLK. Gives you strong exposure to big tech while offering steady dividends. Chicken Vanguard Information Tech ETF, VGT. What don't? 1 annual return, 17.9%. 2 dividend yield, 0.66%. 3 dividend growth, 14.68%. Performance projection. 1 10 years, 54,171. 2 20 years, 282,729. 3 30 years, 1,008. Great mix of growth and dividend expansion. 2 iShares Semiconductor ETF, SOX. 1 annual return, 19.8%. 2 dividend yield, 0.74%. Dividend growth, 11.45%. Performance projection. 1 10 years, 63,565. 2 20 years, 394,110. 3 30 years, 217,862. Focused on a booming industry, SOX is one of the top picks for long-term capital growth. 1 VanEck Semiconductor ETF SMH. 1 annual return, 22.89%. 2 dividend yield, 0.48%. 3 dividend growth, 12.99%. Performance projection. 1 10 years, 80,583. 2 20 years, 638,731. 3 30 years, 5,033,411. With $5 million potential on a $10,000 investment, SMH tops the list for high-growth ETFs. So what did we learn today? 10,000 isn't small, it's a seed. Plant it in the right ETF and watch it grow. Whether you're just starting out or building on years of investing, these high-growth ETFs can supercharge your portfolio. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Want to go deeper into dividend investing? Check out the video on your screen now about turning $20 a week into $6,000 a month in passive income. Smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart, stay patient, and keep building your wealth.